So now let's see how we can work around with Remesh Quad inside of Blender. So if I were to click and drag this around right here, there's a bunch of details that I'm adding in. So I'm going to go around, enable all of these details right here, click and drag this out right here. If I were to click it and then add in some details, this is how it actually works out. So I can add in some details just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, I'm just going to disable the option right here. If I want to, let's say, smoothen out the number of faces right here and then reduce the details, I can go around onto this option called object data properties, and then I can go to remesh. So once I do that, you can see that quad is an option, and then I can click on quadriflow remesh, and I can define the number of faces that I want to remesh this to and press OK. Once I do that, it analyzes, and then now it converts the amount of detail it has and then remeshes it into 2000 faces right here, as you can see. So the number of details is significantly decreased. I'm going to press Ctrl Z right here so that I can get back onto the default area, and you can see that this was the original detail, but as I click on quadriflow remesh, I can reduce the number of details according to what I want. I can also keep it around 1000 right here, press OK, and then you have just around 1000 faces right here. I can go to quadriflow remesh and change the seed to change the algorithm so that it changes out the notation and the scale and how the mesh is actually generated. And this is how it looks, as you can see. You can also go around and then smooth this out right here, smooth the normals, so that you have more of a smooth option, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with the Remesh Quad option inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.